This is the story of a father and his two daughters, Safia and Milana. Papa loved baking. He often made pancakes and cakes, and his girls loved them. But even when he baked cakes, he never decorated them. They were always simple and plain with no cream, no toppings, and no frosting. But the girls really wanted frosting. For almost 2 years they begged him.
Papa, please, next time you bake a cake, can we do frosting?
Papa always replied,
My cakes aren't that great, and I don't bake that often. Besides, I don't even know how to make frosting.
Then one day, Papa watched a video on YouTube that showed an easy frosting recipe. He thought, maybe I can give it a try. So he agreed with his daughters to bake a cake with strawberry frosting. Milana even knew where to buy strawberries, so she guided her father to a nearby fruit shop, and together they bought the strawberries they needed. The next day, Milana kept asking,
Papa, when are we going to make the strawberry cake?
Okay, I'll bake it soon.
The next morning, Papa baked a simple cake, but it didn't rise much. It was smaller than they expected. The girls said,
It's so small.
Papa replied,
Don't worry, we'll still do the frosting. I have all the ingredients.
he called them into the kitchen. He took butter and powdered sugar and asked the girls to whip it. They began whisking, but the powdered sugar flew everywhere, making a huge mess. Papa laughed and said,
Oh no, let me do this part first. You can help when I add the cream cheese.
Cream cheese?
Papa mixed the sugar and butter until smooth, then added the cream cheese. After a while, he let the girls help again. They were thrilled. Then he asked,
Should we make it red?
Yes, Papa, I know where the food color is.
said Safia. She took it from the fridge and squeezed in a little bit. Just a little, Papa warned. He mixed it, and the frosting turned pink,
It's pink, not red.
said Safia.
That's okay. We'll have a pink cake.
Said Papa. The frosting was delicious. Milana couldn't stop licking it. Papa said, Milana, stop licking. Safia added,
Yes, Milana, you'll finish it all before we even frost the cake.
Milana giggled, her finger covered in frosting. Then Papa brought out the strawberries.
Papa, can I have one?
Milana asked eagerly. Not yet, Papa said. First, let's decorate the cake.
Please, just one.
Milana begged. Safia laughed and said,
You can have one later, Milana. Let's finish the cake first.
The girls took turns spreading the frosting. At first, they tried using a piping tool that looked like a syringe, but it didn't work well. The frosting leaked everywhere, on their hands, on the counter, and all over the utensils. Okay, Papa chuckled. Let's stop using this and just spread it with a spatula. Finally, they managed to frost the cake. Then they placed strawberries all around the top and sides. It looked beautiful. Small but perfect with pink frosting and shiny strawberries. They each ate a few strawberries, and Papa had one too. After that, they enjoyed a slice of cake and put the rest in the fridge for the next day. The next morning, Papa went to the fridge for a piece of cake, but when he opened the box, he froze. The strawberries were gone. Who ate all the strawberries? He asked. He already knew the answer. It had to be Milana.
Milana, did you eat them?
He asked.
No,
She said quickly.
Of course it was you. Who else could it be?
it wasn't me.
She insisted. Papa sighed.
You could have told me. We could have bought more strawberries. But lying isn't good, Milana.
Milana said nothing. Papa, disappointed, went back to his room. Then he remembered. He had installed cameras in the house just a few days earlier. Curious, he checked the kitchen footage. At first, nothing happened. But later in the night, after everyone was asleep, a shadow appeared in the kitchen. The light turned on, and there was Milana. Papa smiled softly. I knew it. But then, to his surprise, Milana returned with Safia. The video showed Safia bringing a chair, climbing up and taking the cake down from the fridge. Both girls giggled as they picked off the strawberries and ate them. They had frosting on their cheeks and big smiles. After eating, they washed their faces and went back to bed. The next morning, Papa called them and said,
Girls, I'm really disappointed.
he showed them the video. The daughters giggled and said,
It's funny, Papa.
Papa smiled a little but said,
It may be funny, but lying isn't. Next time, just tell me the truth. If you want more strawberries, I'll buy them for you. Promise?
Yes, Papa, we promise.
and from that day on, Papa, Safia, and Milana kept baking together. Always with frosting, always with strawberries, and always with lots of laughter.